Winter's breath on my window pane. I see the frost but feel no pain. Warm sunshine breaks through the cold. A tale of hope left untold. Morning light and coffee steam. A gentle touch in a frozen dream. Snowflakes whisper tales so fine. Melting hearts by the fire shine. In the winter's chill we find sunshine warms our weary minds. Through the ice and through the frost, golden rays that never lost. Walking paths where shadows play. Frozen streams reflect the day. Bundled up in lovers' coats, weaved with words that no one wrote. Crisp air carries secrets low. Silhouettes against the glow. Silent songs of fireside cheer echo through the cool atmosphere.